Does that mean she'll be the first to the finish line?
Just to ensure that's where she's supposed to be. But it's a tantalizing final. I really think it's gonna give us some fireworks.
So let's mention that though 11 Jamaican ladies have gone sub-11 this year, Shericka Jackson is not one of them who has gone sub-11 this year. She does it now. That makes 12 Jamaican women going sub-11 this year. Shericka Jackson, in my estimation, is in sub-10-8 form.
The women's 100 final coming up. The athletes taking their positions behind their blocks.
Sabrina Dockery still not hit by the blocks.
Let's start in lane number 1. She represents Sprint Tech Track Club, Ashanti Moore.
Yeah, Ashanti Moore has traveled far and wide and has come back home to train with Sprint Tech. Look good in qualifying.
Tina Clayton, the World Championship silver medalist, goes in lane number 2.
10:76, her personal best. The World Championship silver last year behind Melissa Jefferson Wooden.
There's the great Shericka Jackson, MVP Track Club in lane number 3.
Multiple medals at Olympics and World Championship. The second fastest woman in history over 200 meters. She fine sprinter.
Underestimate this one at your own peril from Dynamic Speed, Lavania Williams.
Some spectacular 60-meter races this year that indicated she could be a sub-11 girl. She has delivered on that promise. 10:95 at her best.
Alana Reid, you can just never count her out, competing unattached. She goes in lane number 5.
Yeah, our national under-20 record holder has run a season's best to get here at 11.17.
She's had a fantastic year as well so far from the MVP Track Club. Janelle Smith is in lane number 6.
10:99 twice this year. She won gold back in 2019 in Doha, running on the 4x1 team, was also a finalist at that World Championships in the 100 meters.
And lane number 7 got into this final because of the late withdrawal of Elaine Thompson-Herah. This is Sabrina Dockery.
Yeah, looking forward to seeing how she goes. Doesn't look up to it, but I know she has extreme quality in her legs.
And closing on the field in lane number 8, one of the 11 Jamaican women to go sub-11 this year, Jodine Williams, the second Sprint Tech athlete in the final.
Jodine Williams at 10:97 delivered her sub-11 a couple of weeks ago in Texas. She is very confident. Sprint Tech with 2, MVP with 3, Nike with 1 in Alana Reid, Adidas with 1 in Sabrina Dockery, Lavania Williams, Dynamic Speed.
Dockery did beat Williams in that race. The final of the women's 100 meters. Shericka Jackson, 3 times the national 100 champion.
Stand up.
The defending champion Tina Clayton in the field. Her twin sister Tia Clayton did not turn up for the event. Found it a little strange when I saw her enter for just the CAC games, Tia Clayton, and now a no-show.
Are you okay?
So much quality missing, and still, this is a cracking lineup. Worthy of any national final.
All 8 ladies have personal best below 11 seconds. Though all 8 do not yet have season best below 11 seconds.
Moore, Jackson, and Reid have not gone under 11 yet this year. They're on their marks. Final of the women's 100 meters. Can Tina Clayton defend? Off they go. Tina Clayton caught up brilliantly. Shericka Jackson and Lavania Williams running well. Janelle Smith coming forward. It is Tina Clayton and Shericka Jackson gets it. What a performance from Shericka Jackson. The veteran comes up big and defeats the World Championship silver medalist. Janelle Smith finished quickly and got third. The MVP athletes go 1, 2, 3.
Amazing running there. Shericka Jackson. We look at Llewellyn Stark and Andre Edwards, Kishane Thompson in the crowd. But what a spectacular run. Coach Stephen Francis, Paul Francis, man board, Kingsley Rose, the team all delivered, including not just season's best, but personal best for Janelle Smith. The best start, Tina Clayton, lane number 2, ahead of Shericka Jackson. Before the race, I said Shericka Jackson is in 10-8 shape. She had not gone sub-11 yet. And there she goes. She challenges Tina Clayton, her training partner, and out in lane 6, all black, Janelle Smith sets a new personal best, 10.94. 1, 2, 3 for MVP. Shericka Jackson showing her class in her second 100-meter race of the year, and she goes 10.81. Negative 0.3 win.
Wow, let us get confirmation. Shericka Jackson 10.81, Tina Clayton 10.85, Janelle Smith a personal best 10.94, Ashanta Moore 11.08, Jodine Williams 11.08, Lavania Williams 11.13, Alana Reid finishing in 7th with Dockery in 8th.
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yardie Reacts. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel, and to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Whereby today, guys, on to our video, we dive into sports, whereby our video features the highly anticipated women's 100-meter final at the JAAA PUMA National Junior and Senior Championships. Before the race, experts highlighted the competitive nature of the field, noting that Shericka Jackson was in top form, having not yet run a sub-11-second race this season despite her elite capability. And whereby, let's dive in on to the race and the results, whereby we had the start. And the race saw a competitive lineup including Tina Clayton, Shericka Jackson, and Janelle Smith. Tina Clayton had a brilliant start, leading early in the race, whereby the finish in a thrilling comeback, Shericka Jackson surged to victory with a world-class time of 10.81 seconds. Onto the podium sweep, it was a clean sweep for the MVP track club, as Tina Clayton finished second with 10.85 seconds, and Janelle Smith secured third place with a new personal best of 10.94 seconds. And just to give you the highlights of the race, Shericka Jackson dominance, despite being her second 100-meter race of the year, she displayed her class by finishing with a 10.81 seconds. The strong competition, whereby the field remained competitive throughout, with all athletes pushing for their personal best. And to the post-race, the victory was celebrated by the MVP coaching staff, including Stephen Francis, as they celebrated a successful 1-2-3 finish for their athletes. And in this case, you might be asking yourself, why was Tia Clayton absent? And according on to the video, Tia Clayton's absence from the final was unexpected, whereby in here the commentator noted that it was strange to see her entered for the event only for her to be a no-show, as she had also been entered for the CAC games. No specific reason for her withdrawal was provided in the broadcast. And did the wind impact the race times? And yes, the wind was a factor in the race result, as noted by, the commentator at the end of the broadcast, whereby the women's 100-meter final was run in a negative 0.3 wind reading. And if you might just be asking yourself of who coached the winning MVP athletes, accordingly to this video, the winning athletes from the MVP track club are coached by a team that includes Stephen Francis, Paul Francis, Manbod, and Kingsley Rose, whereby here we just want to highlight their collective effort in guiding their sprinters to a 1-2-3 finish in the women's 100 final. And another case, how many Jamaicans broke 11.1 seconds this year? According to the video, there were 11 Jamaican women who had achieved a sub 11.1 second time this year prior to the final. Following the race, the commentator just noted that Shericka Jackson's performance brought that totaled to 12 Jamaican women who gave gone under 11.1 seconds this year. And just to look way back then, who was the 2019 Doha gold medalist? At the 2019 World Athletics Championship in Doha, the Jamaican team won the gold medal in the women's 4x100 meter relay, and the team, which included Jonelle Smith, mentioned in the video, was part of a historic performance that secured victory for Jamaica. And what was unique about Shericka Jackson's race, if you've just noted onto the video, Shericka Jackson's performance in the women's 100 meter final was significant for several reasons noted into the video, and whereby we had the sub 11.1 milestone. Entering the race, Shericka Jackson had not yet clocked a sub 11.1 time for the year. By winning with a time of 10.81 seconds, she not only secured the victory but also became the 12th Jamaican woman to break the 11.1 second barrier in that season. And on to the MVP dominance, her win spearheaded 1-2-3 sweep for the MVP track club, with Jackson in first, Tina Clayton in second, and Jonelle Smith in third. Just to look at the class performance here, we just want to highlight that this was only her second 100 meter race of the year, yet she demonstrated her veteran class by overcoming a strong start from her training partner Tina Clayton to finish at 10.81 seconds despite a negative 0.3 wind. So guys, that leads us to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video to the end, and thank you very much for being here till this time. So guys, let me know whatever you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts through the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much guys for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I do want to say is peace out there.